welcome to another wonderful episode of Real Fights, helping all of you future movie makers and actors out there learn, fight, and film. Just want to say a special thank you to everyone out there for hitting that thumbs up, subscribing, and hitting that bell. And if you're new here, just want to give you a heads up on everything that goes on in this channel. We focus on what goes on in front and behind the camera. Now let's get into the video. The catch-22 of acting. I know I can do it. I know I can be successful. But yet, how do I get my first acting gig? How can I get onto my first film set? Because when I go to auditions, I have my headshot.
I have a folder here full of headshots. What do I do now?
But I have nothing on the back. I don't have anything to show for my portfolio. And I can't get jobs if I don't have anything to show in my portfolio. So what do? Where do I go? Answers to that coming right up. All right, everybody, listen up. Get your pen and paper. This information I'm about to give you is good as gold. The number one tip that I can give to all you up-and-coming actors out there that want to start into a wonderful acting career, but you don't have anything on your resume. No portfolio, no experience whatsoever. So where do you go? Here it is. Are you ready? Go to your local college. Community college, university. If you're like us in Florida, we have multiple colleges you can go and visit. And you want to ask them if they have a film program. If they do, that's amazing. That's where you want to go. Because the film school, all the film students, they have to be able to put out projects. They have to have short films to be able to graduate. And that's where you come in. In order to do that, it doesn't matter how old you are, because all the different students, they might need talent that is young, elementary. They might need talent that's middle school. They might need talent that's high school. They might need boy, girl, black, white, Chinese, wheelchair. It doesn't matter. You have all these different stories that could possibly come up from these film students at these colleges. And that's a perfect opportunity for you to just be able to gain the experience of auditioning for multiple stories, multiple concepts, working with multiple different type of directors, as well as get to meet and greet with all the different acting talent that's in your local community. Now, for example, here in Florida, if you're around our area in Central Florida, I can definitely recommend going to Full Sail. They're constantly doing open casting calls, open auditions for the general public. Valencia Community College with their, I don't think they're a community college anymore. I think they bumped that up. But anyway, the point is, Valencia, they have a wonderful film program that does auditions. You can even go to UCF for their auditions for their film school, as well as Seminole State College. I know they do auditions for their film programs as well. And that's exactly what you want to do. You have a pool of directors and students for their short films that has to have you. They're specifically looking for talent just like you to get onto their short films. And it's perfectly allowed to be on 4, 5, 10 different short films and put that onto your resume. All right, everybody, thank you so very much. As always, appreciate your time, appreciate the thumbs, the subscribe, and that bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this. As always, leave those comments below. And see you next time on Real Fights. With that being said, learn, fight, film.